Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iqrah and I'm going to show you how to make your own 100 sub soap play button. If you didn't know already, I hit 100 subs very recently on 25th September 2019. I'm way too excited about it, I don't know why. Mostly because I get a custom YouTube URL. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to make a soap play button out of it, but I wanted to try soap carving, so I thought, why not? I'm not a professional by any chance. I've never done soap carving before. So let's see how this turns out to be. Maybe it's a fail, maybe it's a success. Wait till you watch out. Actually, with the power of editing, here's the B-roll. Now, to actually make the soap play button, the things that you need: red candle. We're going to turn it into melted wax. Also, this is no ordinary candle wax. It is cherry chupa chup. Not sponsored. Smells like cherry, kind of. Very unsure how this is going to turn out to be. But you've already seen it. Another thing that you need, other than the wax, is soap bar. What I did was, I was trying to find like a decent size normal soap bar, but while walking down the aisle, I found this. Basically, this is a Baby Dove baby bar. I didn't even know something like this existed. Rich moisture, mild and nourishing. pH neutral. Great, my play button is very healthy. Sorry. How to use wet baby skin. Never mind. This is not important because I'm not going to use this to actually take a shower. Basically, a baby bar. Because 100 subs is not that big of a milestone, but it's a baby milestone. So, a baby soap bar is perfect for it. Also, this is tiny, so I feel like it's a good match. This I got from B&M, this I got from Poundland. We're actually gonna do a unboxing of this because I have no idea how it looks like. So let's find out. Live reaction. Also, I got 2 of them just so that if I mess up, I have something to work with. Let's actually unbox. Ooh, yeah, it's not rectangular. When has Dove soap bar ever been rectangular? It's not showing up because of the sunlight. How do I show this? There is the Dove symbol. Again, not sponsored. Dove symbol in the middle. It actually looks really cute and sweet. So I can like put that in the background once it's over. So the idea is, instead of the Dove logo, I'm gonna carve that as a play button symbol and then pour melted wax. I don't know how I'm gonna melt this wax. Hopefully the house remains intact and doesn't burn. I'm just gonna melt this wax, pour it in the middle, and then hope for the best. Another thing that I want to do is, those 5 notation? I'm just gonna call it 5 notation. I wanted to do it at the back, like make 20 of those to denote 100 subs, but I don't know if it's too tiny for it. We'll see. In my mind, it looks pretty cool, but I hope I can execute it. So let's actually get on with the video.
Hope you didn't mind that little bit of ASMR in the previous section. Let's actually start the tutorial. We're gonna use the dove symbol in the front as a guide to carve out the play button. And the back of the soap, we're just gonna scrape off the dove symbol completely. I'm using a pencil to first draw an outline of the play button symbol just so that I know where and how to carve. After that, you just use whatever tools you can to carve out the triangle. My first try was a fail, so I had to use the second soap bar to make an improved design. So the second time around, I made 3 dots for the triangle, then joined those 3 dots to make a triangle, and then carve the outline first and then go in the inside. Using the side of the fork helped give it a cool looking depth effect as well. So I was happy with how it was looking. Now it's time to shave the back off along with the edges. So that's how it looked like after all the smoothing and scraping. Instead of doing the 5 notation, I decided to just do spots because it would be easier and I could fit 100 of them. So I just decided to do it with a fork. So that's all the 100 spots. I kind of messed up and there's a little bit of chipping that's seen, The black marks are because I was using a black marker to keep count. Now it was time to use the candle wax, melt it, and pour it in the depressions. This was by far the hardest part. A series of unfortunate events unfolds in front of you. I don't know why I used a lid. Not only that, I used a lid and then a spoon to transfer the liquid, and by the time I could transfer it, it already solidified. What a disaster. It was a total mayhem. Not only that, but there was a spillage in the sink, the utensil I was using the water bath for, so I finally had to take a step back and rethink my life decisions. So this time around, I used a proper container instead of a wonky little lid and brought the soap right next to me in the kitchen so that I could easily transfer the melted wax into the soap. In the midst of all this, a noodle piece somehow ended up in the utensil and was busy cooking. The wax finally melted, so it was time to pour it on the soap. It was going all well and good until my fidgety self touched it and ruined it yet again. Why am I like this? I ruined it a couple of more times in different ways. I might have done this step over 6 times. The only good part was once the wax would dry, it would come off very easily. Even on the last try, I touched the damn thing too soon, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna just flip the bad side and call it a day. Then it was time for the back. I kind of just gave up on recording, so this is how it looked like. I eventually covered the whole back of it with red wax, and now I would scrape off the red wax to let the spots appear.
Hi, so I am back. This is the second day, but I'm still wearing the same shirt to play with the continuity of the video. So I finally have my self-made 100 sub soap YouTube play button, and it's right over here, if you did notice. It turned out to be not as I had originally planned, but I'm still quite proud of it. It took so many tries. There's some deformities, if you can see. I also put like an Iqrah at the bottom. I don't know why it's not focusing. And it's inverted colors, but I really, really like this sort of texture that I was able to come up with. Each spot signifies one subscriber, so there are 100 dots. Some are big, some are small, some are fainted, some are not that fainted. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm quite proud of this. If you want to make your own, follow the tutorial. It wasn't that great, I know. It was my first time filming and I was trying to not burn my house and still be able to make this, and it wasn't going according to plan. It took a lot of tries. I feel like I could do a better job if I did it like 2 more times. But I don't want to waste any more soap. I wasted 1 bar of soap. So I think it's good enough. I also made a video for the 100 subs congrats to me video where I'm like overly excited for some reason. Watch that. Okay, bye!
Dun dun dun. I'm really bad with these cinematic shots. Dun 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 dun.